Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to sell affiliate products on TikTok Shop, which is basically like a TikTok Shop tutorial. I will show you guys how it works, how you can do it in like the easiest steps possible, because it's not that hard when you are like able to do it, because this video will just be like a fast track for you to like get into it much faster. So TikTok Shop is basically like a place where you can sell your own products or just like do affiliate like ads for other products, which is like done when a seller is like when a seller allows you to, of course, like you to advertise their product, which is like a whole different topic of the situation, like that, because like there are different levels to it. And of course, like as you can see here as well, you will like get a video, and then that video will also have like affiliate links, because that's how they earn their money. So when you have the TikTok Shop available, you will just go right in and start selling. Okay, the first thing we want to do is from your TikTok account page, you want to tap on the basket logo to access your product showcase. Then you can of course like tap on the TikTok Shop to enter the Creator Center. The problem with that part is TikTok Shop is not available in every country, so you might have like slight issues when you want to like access some stuff that like happens on the marketplace. But of course, if your country is like US or UK, like if it's a country where you can just like use TikTok Shop in general, you can just like use the basket logo, then tap TikTok Shop to enter the Creator Center. And on the TikTok Shop Creator Center, you have to like scroll down until you see the TikTok Shop Toolkits. Of course, because under it, the first button should be the Product Marketplace. Product Marketplace is where we want to go, because as you can see, like there will be a lot of like, even on the like page where they advertise it, like this basic page, there's a shop tab where you can use, but we want to get behind it to like do the selling ourselves. So you have to scroll through the marketplace and navigate the marketplace to look for shops and of course products that interest you. Of course, you can always like just go on and do random sales, but the best thing you can sell is finding items that your audience would be into buying. Let's like say like this page here. Like you are a fashion creator, like a beauty creator, like let's just say you're a makeup creator, okay? You do like makeup tutorials and everything. So your audience would be into makeup. So you want to sell makeup. So you go into the, of course, like the product marketplace, and you see which items are available for the whole like TikTok creator thing. Because when you find like some items like this, like the rose lip gloss, for example, you will be able to just, in the, of course, like the product marketplace, say, add this to my page. Then it will be added to your page where people can go and buy it. But of course, you can like make videos about it and then add your item tab to that video, because that way it just makes it much better and much easier. Of course, you can like always put items to your profile, like that one here, this video. And of course, it will have all the items you're like selling to people. But that's like not such of a much of a simpler way if you are doing like, of course, if you're doing the whole affiliate market thing, because when you're in affiliate market, you're not gonna have like a whole page like this. Official pages will do that. You shouldn't do that. You should just like post videos about it using the item maybe, and then you can just like say, hey guys, I have this and you can have this too. Of course, you can just like navigate the marketplace and like go on categories, find items you can like. Items that range from electronics, beauty, shoes, bags, men's clothing, books, food, and like imagine having foods as well, like accessories, automotive, toys and games, sports, pets, women's clothing, everything you can imagine is already there for you to advertise. So all you have to do is go on and start advertising. When you start doing that, and if your audience likes the products you are advertising in general, you will be able to just go on and do sales, like to do big sales. That way you will be able to get more products on your page, more people on your sales, and of course more affiliates purchases from your account in general. Of course, that's generally it. Like, this is the simplest and easiest way to like show you guys the video in general. And of course, if you guys like the video, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you more on the channel. And of course, I'll see you on the next video as well. Hopefully, have a great day and goodbye.